day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, a pint of pedigree. On the second day of Christmas, the bomber says to me, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the third day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the fourth day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the fifth day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the sixth day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the seventh day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 7 beefsteak carrots, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the 8th day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 8 pints of colic, 7 beefsteak carrots, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the 9th day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 9 min mojito, 8 pints of colic, 7 beefsteak carrots, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the 10th day of Christmas, the bomber gives to me, 10 Daniel's jacket, 9 min mojito, 8 pints of colic, 7 beefsteak carrots, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brews and a blowjob in the alley. 11th day of Christmas, the bomber gave to me, 11 Johnny's walking, 10 Daniel's jacket, 9 min mojito, 8 pints of colic, 7 beefsteak carrots, 6 pints of scrumpy, 5 bags of nuts, 4 rum and coke, 3 speckled hens, 2 special brew and a pint of pedigree. On the 12th day of Christmas, the bomber said to me, 12 Jaeger bombs, 11 Jaeger bombs, 10 Jaeger bombs, 9 Jaeger bombs, 8 Jaeger bombs, 7 Jaeger bombs, 6 Jaeger bombs, 5 Jaeger bombs, 4 Jaeger bombs, 3 Jaeger bombs, 2 Jaeger bombs and a glass of sweet cherry.
That was an expensive blowjob. Merry Christmas.